Hey guys, well, I'm just trying to find music right now, so um, 1 minute. There's nothing on here. Oh, I'm outside. Anyway, this is like, oh, here we go. This is just like a little update video, and there's that. This is a little update video where I haven't made a video in months, and sorry, I don't know if you can understand me. I'm kind of sick today, and figured it would be a good day to make a video since I'm not doing anything. Okay, that hair is really bothering me. Okay, forget it. Oh, and my hair is supposed to be black in the back. I have to dye it, and it's green right here. It was blue, and then I put, well, in this lighting you can't see it as bright. It was very bright green. I had blue hair in the front right here, and I put electric banana, I think, by Panic in my blue, and it turned an electric green, a very bright green. I did that about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And yeah, anyway, so I'm just been full bored today. I'm sick. If that didn't give it away, and I'm not wearing makeup today again. Actually, I don't think I had a video with me wearing makeup in it. Oh no, wait. I think my last video had makeup in it. So sorry if I look blah today. I'm just really tired. Probably gonna go to bed early. If this is only 5 o'clock, I'm not gonna go to bed yet. But I have things to keep me company while I'm sick. Like my phone texting. A story oh, they're my headphones. What they fell down? I thought they fell down my bed. They're like, my bed got pushed and I just dropped like something and I thought it was my headphones. But then I did. Anyway, so yeah, I've been here all day. Not really been in the mood to do anything since I'm sick. Oh, my song kinda stopped. Or finished, whatever it was. And that was Jet Lag by Simple Plan, featuring I don't know who. And I'm gonna play King for a Day by Mr. I can't speak today, wow. Anyway, if you can hear it. But it is Sunday. Super Bowl is today, which I have heard. A lot of people have texted me it, and I don't watch it, so I have nothing to do. So I'm sitting here making a video. In this, I wrote a paper sister's bullying story, and I wrote it for my English media class, and I got a really good mark on it actually, surprisingly. It's a story about a girl who gets bullied and hit by at school and home, and her best friend finds her dead in her room after she committed suicide. Yeah, when I read it, I actually had to read it in front of the class. Didn't go so well. I had mostly everyone crying. I had a couple people crying, and one kid actually said I should write a story, like a book about it, become an author. Like, well, not an author, but I should write it like into a story. Like this is just a short version of it, and I might do that because I actually really like it. Moving there. Oh, and I'm recording on my laptop, which I got for Christmas. Yeah, still trying to figure out how to use it. Oh, my nose is so stuck. Oh, and another thing I'm so excited about. My grandma cleaned out her attic like a couple months ago or so, and started a video, and I kept it at 3 but you might be asking what? Oh, you don't know what this is? Okay, if I can say it, it's a possum. Possum. Yeah, possum. I love them. I haven't had them. They were in the attic. This is one of them. The others are similar. But this was my favorite when I was little. So put it back. And I also got my little beanie baby. Oh, so that's so sad. This was my favorite when I was when it's my first little beanie baby. I like that issue. Yeah. Back there. Oh, and another thing I found today. Oh, or I found today. From a month ago, but what? I also too close. I also found this the study guide for drivers to prepare. I lost it like a couple of months. I lost it probably a while ago, and I didn't know where it was. And I was looking through my closet, and I found it. It just came up, and I'm like, oh my god. I love it. Sure, let me get everything. Anyway, but I want to take the test right now, but I have to look through the looking for more time, as you're always supposed to have as many zeros or get as many questions wrong. Like I think it's 4 now. You're only allowed to get. But yeah, I'm not good at that. So Pikachu. So I'm gonna go and if you actually, I might get a video up maybe one next week. I'm gonna try and make some more videos and hopefully I'm not sick then because every video is saying I'm like sick. Yeah, I got a cough again. Okay. So I'll get a video up next week about how my week is going and what I've done probably for that day. And I might, in one of my videos, I might read my story or make a video that goes with it. Actually, would be a good idea. I think I'll think of that. I'll just laugh. Okay, so I want this video to be long, so alright, well, bye now.